Hey students, the objective of this video is to give you a starting point to program for 464a, also known as storing the largest element in row. Reading the problem statement, it is quite clear that you have to read an input data file that has 5 rows and 5 columns, and for each row you have to find and store the largest value in a 6th column. For example, if you look at the first row of 5 numbers, since 89 is the largest number, it is stored in the 6th column. In order to get the desired output, here's what you need to do. First, create a new array with 5 rows and 6 columns. Then, create a variable to store the largest value for each row. It's good practice to initialize this variable to min value. Use a nested for loop to loop through all the columns for each row of the input file. The outer loop will loop through each of the 5 rows, and the inner loop will loop through each of the 5 columns for each row. In the inner loop, compare each input value read with the variable you initialized, and if it is greater than the variable, store the input value in the variable. At the end of the inner loop, store the value in the variable to the 6th column and then reinitialize the variable to min value again for the next row. Use another nested for loop to print out the array that was created in step 3. Now that you have the logic, go ahead and start programming.